Hi everyone, my name is Vikas. So I am an investment banker. I hold over 12 years of experience working in this investment banking and financial modeling. Okay. So I'm making this short video for all of those like who are looking to build their career in the field of investment banking and financial modeling. Okay. So this video will also be relevant for those people or those students who are looking to migrate or who are looking to basically switch their fields into like investment bank, who are looking to basically build their career in the field of investment banking and financial modeling and currently working in the other fields of finance. Okay. So in this short video, so we are going to talk about what are the requirement for getting into these kind of job. Okay. So in case you are a fresher or in case you are looking to build your career in the financial modeling or investment banking, so there are some prerequisites or that there are some pre-requirements which employers or these recruitment firms basically looks at. Okay. The first one is basically about your academic background. Okay. So they will check your academic background, the college, university that you're coming from. Okay. So although like this can be overlooked in certain situations, but for bulge break in investment bank or bigger M&A firms, so these firms are specifically looking for your academic background. Okay. Other than that, so there are a few skill set that you will require to basically get excelled in this particular field. So these are like basic to advanced Excel skills. Along with that financial analysis skill, so you should also be having the problem solving skills. Okay. So these are the skill sets that you'll be requiring to get excelled in this skill. Okay. So then along with that, so in case you really want to get shortlisted and in case you want to build your career, so when you'll be applying for these kind of opportunities, so they will be asking you to basically work on certain case studies or aptitude based tests. Okay. So these are the criteria, the shortlisting criteria for these employers when they look for any candidates within these job sets. Okay. So we have talked about like what are the pre-requirements and what are the prerequisites for these kind of jobs. So now we'll be looking at like what are the skill set which is required to become a financial modeling expert. Okay. So the first one is basically about the conceptual knowledge. Okay. So you should have good accounting knowledge. You should have good understanding about the time value of money concept and the basics of finance. Okay. Along with that, the financial statements, like you should have a good understanding of like the profit and loss account, balance sheet, cash flow, how these statements are basically interlinked with each other. Okay. Then you should have basics to advanced Excel proficiency. You should be able to work on VLOOKUP, like basic to advanced Excel formulas such as VLOOKUP, index match, pivot table, conditional formatting, data tool, and so on. Okay. And within the investment banking or financial modeling, so you'll be working on different kind of models depending upon different kind of situations. So these are like DCF, LBO, M&A, three statement models. So these are like different kind of models that you'll be working on as a part of your daily job. Okay. So while you will be working on these models, so you'll be working on some sort of projections. Like when you'll be building these three statement models, so you will be basically doing some projections for the company for the next 5 year, 3 years. Okay. For that reason, so you'll be having good understanding about the business, how the revenue of the company is basically being driven. Okay. What are the costs associated with the business, like what are the different kind of expenses and costs associated with the business. Okay. And on what level, so in case you are moving forward, uh, in case you are looking to enter into the growth stage, so then on what stages the capital investments are basically required from time to time. Okay. So then the finally is like the financial modeling is not just about the numbers. Okay. So you should be good with like how you are presenting your analysis in a dashboard using some dashboard charts or storytelling. Okay. So this is all about, so these are the skill set that you'll be requiring to get enter into this particular field. Okay. So for that reason, so I have just done a quick comparison between two of the best uh, financial modeling and investment banking courses which are available online. Okay. And we will be doing a quick comparison between those, and then so you can take a call like which course will be more suitable for you as per your requirement. So now I'll be moving to do a comparison between both of these courses. Okay. Okay, so now we will be doing a quick comparison between two of the best financial modeling and the investment banking courses. Okay, so currently we are looking at the Fintree investment banking and financial modeling course. Okay, so this course basically offers, so as we are looking into this website, so this is a financial modeling course. Okay, so there are some prerequisites to learn financial modeling course. Like while building the model, you are essentially applying valuation principle in a real life scenario. So therefore recommend candidates to develop a good understanding of the equity valuation methodology before taking up the course. Okay, so you will be requiring some prerequisites to basically to apply for this particular course. Okay, so the course is basically, if we talk about the duration of this course, so this course will be done in a period of 3 to 4 months. Okay, so if we talk about the content, so financial modeling course is being split into 4 parts. So the first one is basically about the art of stock picking. The second is basically about the building financial model infrastructure. The part 3 is basically about the forecasting, and part 4 will be about the valuation and report writing. Okay, so this course is basically, so if we talk about like how the classes will be conducted, like how they operate. So currently offline classes are not offered for this program, only home school option is available. Okay, so if we talk about online classes, so yes, this course can be taken completely online. Okay, so these are the feature of this particular course. Okay, so if we talk about the fee structure of this particular course, so let me just look into it. So the fee for the financial modeling course with Fintree will cost you about like 36,000 rupees. Okay, so in this course they are going to cover about like basic Excel, advanced Excel. So then you'll be having equity valuation concept videos, video on financial model, video on financial model of Lawrence Labs. So you'll be getting all the videos related to the different kind of models. Okay. So then the pricing will be 36,000 as I just told. So fees are inclusive of 18% GST and are non-refundable. Okay. So in this case, you'll not be getting any money guarantee. So you'll be getting access to 390 plus hours of video lectures on LMS. So now you can download the content, the videos and the template which will be provided to you. So you'll be having the access of the LMS for 6 months. Okay. So they will also be providing the placement support. So that is only based in India. Okay. So as of now, they are not offering any live school course. So means like they will only be providing you with the pre-recorded videos along with that. So they, in case you need any kind of doubt session, then they can arrange for it. So all of these sessions will be pre-recorded. Okay. So now we'll be moving to the another best financial modeling course, which okay, so this is basically comes from the IIM skills. Okay, so this is one of the best course that is available online for the financial modeling and investment banking. Okay, so if we talk about the this particular course, so this course will come with 185 plus hours of course delivery, 100 plus hours assignments, 25 plus hours of doubt solving classes. 20. You'll also be doing some capstone projects. So capstone projects are the additional things that you'll be doing as a part of this particular course. So capstone project are like real life situations that you'll be working in. So like if you were a financial modeling expert or like analyst, so what kind of real life task that you'll be working on. So that is something that you'll be learning in this particular course. 100% job guarantee, money back guarantee. You'll be having access to LMS for a lifetime. Okay, one-to-one mentorship is available, job portal exclusive access you'll be getting. Okay, so all these things that you'll be getting in this particular course. Okay, so if you talk about the course curriculum, so in this course you are going to learn about basic and advanced Excel, accounting concept and financial statement, ratio and KPI analysis, technicals of financial modeling, different types of financial modeling. Okay, then business valuation, new age tools. So all of these things that you'll be getting as a part of this course. Along with that, so they will also be guiding you on the job interview skills, resume building, mock interview preparation, LinkedIn profile, communication skills, problem solving, business case study, learning how to learn, guest teammate, quizzes, hackathon, corporate cultural and behavioral skills. So all these skills that you'll be getting in the same course. Okay. Yeah. So so there are three kind of tailored options which are available for this course. So the first one is the self-paced program. So in this case, you'll be having access to the pre-recorded classes. Okay, so you'll be getting job support, you'll be getting placement portal access, 1 year LMS access. Okay, and two financial modeling templates worth rupees dollar 600 rupees. Okay, so in this case, few points will be missed, and this course is basically available for 29,900 rupees plus 18% GST. So if you are looking to build your career in this particular field, so I would request you to go for master program. So this will come with live classes, lifetime LMS access, job support, placement portal access, 5 financial model templates worth $2,000. Then WhatsApp group mentorship, paid internship, LinkedIn profile optimization. So all these things that you'll be getting for a cost of 49,900 rupees along with 18% GST. So now I'm doing a quick comparison between IIM Skills and the Fintree online courses. So basis some parameters. Okay, so you can see the parameters on the left, and I have basically rated both of these courses basis these parameters. Okay, so if we talk about the course depth, so IIM Skills basically covers this particular course more extensively, more comprehensively. So for that reason, I have rated IIM Skills as 1 and Fintree as 0. So on the basis of Excel skills, so both of these courses basically covers basics to advanced skills. So for that reason, I've rated both as 1. For the live sessions, so IIM Skills basically provide this course on a live session mode, while Fintree is just providing you with the recorded video. So for that reason, I've rated IIM Skills as 1 and Fintree as 0. So live doubt session you'll be getting in both of these cases. Okay. So internship support you'll only be getting for IIM Skills, but Fintree doesn't offer that. For the placement support, so you'll be getting the placement assistant in both of these cases. So for the course fee, so Fintree is going to offer this course for about 36,000 rupees, but that is just for the recorded videos. Okay, so IIM Skills is basically going to cover this course more extensively. So they will be providing you the live session, they will be providing you with the live doubt session, internship support, placement support, and lifetime access of the LMS portal. Okay, so for that reason, so they are charging a little bit more. Okay, okay. So then for the course duration, so both of these courses are going to cover this course in about 3 to 4 months of time. And for on the parameter of money back guarantee, so IIM Skills course basically offers money back guarantee in case you are not satisfied with that, but Fintree is not going to do any money back guarantee. Okay, so they are not providing any money back guarantee. So for the LMS access, so you'll be getting lifetime LMS access if you go with IIM Skills, but in the case of Fintree, so you are not going, so you'll only be getting this LMS access for the 6 months. Okay. So on a total score basis, so IIM Skills have scored about 9 out of 10 and Fintree has scored 5 out of 10. Okay. So basis these parameters, basis my recommendation, so I would suggest you to go with IIM Skills because this course offers the content, course, and everything from a more comprehensive angle. And so you'll be getting more features. So this course comes with the this course basically comes with the more features. Okay, so for that reason, I'm just recommending you to go with IIM Skills. And in case you need any further assistance, so you can just put your comments in the description box, and I'll help you with that. Okay, thanks for watching the video.